Welcome to Cooking with Matt. Today, we're making waffles. First thing we're going to want to do is get your waffle mix and make sure it's not expired. Give it a taste. And that's pure sugar. Crap. Change of plans. Instead of waffle mix, get some water, put it on the pot, get it to boil, and let me know when you get to that point, okay? Okay, now that this baby's boiling, grab some ramen, put it in there, get it nice and cooking. We're not going to use the flavor packets yet. But yeah, get those nice and cooked noodles ready. Really, the type of ramen doesn't matter as long as you have it. Just pick it. I mean, if you're smart enough, you just buy one kind of ramen, the good kind, chicken. But if not, use the crappy kind that you don't like. Okay? While your noodles are cooking, go ahead and grab some syrup right there and some graham crackers. We're going to use about a half sleeve of these. Put them in a bowl like that. Ooh. And then we're going to add some syrup. Be very liberal with it because this is where all your flavor comes from. Looks like enough for now. Grab your handy dandy hand mixer and let's get to mixing. Maybe you want to crush them up a little bit because this isn't as great a mixer as my normal professional one. That looks just about good. While you wait for your noodles to finish cooking, go ahead and turn on your waffle iron, get it warmed up. And then go ahead and strain them. Strain your noodles once they finish. You're going to want to add some butter. That makes it nice and delicious. I mean, recipe is always right with butter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pour that into your graham syrup mix, like so. Get to work with that hand mixer again. Oh, crap. It's not working. 1 second. So I just realized that because this is top ramen, you're gonna want to use some chopsticks like that. And if you get any noodles in your mixer, throw it away. It's useless. If it happens to be your mother's, just put it away, pretend like you never used it. Remember to wash the mixer and whatever, mixing heads, put them with there. No evidence, no problem. What you're gonna wanna do is grab these chopsticks and mix up the ramen and mix it in with your graham cracker syrup. And make sure that and the butter all just gets constituted into one nice globule of waffle mix. Listen to that. I think I might try a bite right now. Oh, I can't get it. That's why I don't like chopsticks. Ooh. I think this is going to be a great start. Let's pop on over to the waffle mixer now. Now it's time for the best part, the waffle maker. You're going to get this baby, open it up, get some of your nice generic cooking spray and spray it on there because we do not want our waffles to stick. That is no fun at all. And we're going to grab our waffle mix and just chopstick some on there. Move it about. You want it evenly distributed because these are communist waffles. Just kidding, this is America. Close this bad boy and flip it. Yeah, flip it. When this light changes color right there, ow, it's ready. Now once your waffle is done, you're going to want to plate it. You're going to want to garnish it. Because first things first, we're not savages. Second, you eat with your eyes first. So go ahead, garnish it. Just make it nice and pretty. I mean, you want to enjoy what you're eating. We're not just trying to stuff our faces. If we wanted that, then I would have used actual waffle mix. Crap. And that's how you make waffles. Thank you for cooking with Matt. Hot. It's too hot. I can't eat it, guys. Bon appetit. Oh, that's not too horrible.